chart, that is a radar chart, which generally used for highly skilled outputs. Let me open the pivot again. I'm saying I'm looking for years, category in column, and sum of sale is there. For month, I'm changing month to year, and I'm filtering that I am looking for only 3 years, or let it be 4 years only. That is 2010 to things, and I'm not looking for grand total. So then you can remove this. I'm not looking for grand totals. Fine. So I want the contribution of furniture oversupply and technology in year 2010. Means what is the different categories are contributing in 2010. If it's there, technology not there, it won't show anything. So let it be. So I'll go for pivot, analyze, pivot chart. I'll go for radar, last one, second last. I'll say okay. I'll be getting chart like this. It is an interesting chart. So you can see. So once you click on the any you can say category, you'll be getting their values in respective years. If you analyze vertically, if you say I'm aligning to 2011. So on your right side triangle, you can see this on first value, which is the you can say blue. Let's take a blue portion. So in blue in 2011 we are having this much value. Then orange is for oversupply. We are having this much value. Then is you take a gray area, it is this much value. So you can show the data values also if needed. Let me take it data values or right click, show data labels. So we can show the data labels also. It show the value as you are on the series you have selected. So if you selected on oversupply data would be there. So I'm doing Control Z. Let it be a normal value. If I clear my filter and I am having this so many years are there, so this chart would be plotted very nicely. It given a fair idea that what is the contribution of individual segment in year wise. That's a case available which you can utilize. So I'm removing this again, the buttons which is currently not required for me. So furniture and other things are there. So radar chart is there where you are seeing contribution to be displayed of respective category.